Zinc oxide rotary kiln is an efficient industrial production equipment, which can convert zinc oxide powder into high-purity zinc oxide products through high-temperature treatment. The equipment adopts a unique design structure. The processing and conversion of a large amount of zinc oxide powder can be completed in a short period of time, thereby improving production efficiency. Moreover, the production capacity of the zinc oxide rotary kiln and the energy-saving effect of the zinc oxide rotary kiln are remarkable. The equipment adopts advanced heat conduction technology, which can effectively use heat energy and reduce energy waste. The zinc oxide rotary kiln also adopts automatic control technology, which can be intelligently adjusted according to the actual production situation to make energy utilization more efficient. The zinc oxide rotary kiln also has the characteristics of environmental protection. The equipment adopts efficient dust removal technology, can effectively reduce exhaust emissions and protect the environment. The zinc oxide rotary kiln also adopts advanced waste gas treatment technology. It can convert harmful substances in the exhaust gas into harmless substances and avoid pollution to the environment. Zinc oxide rotary kiln products are of high quality. Widely recognized by the market, this equipment can convert zinc oxide powder into high-purity, high-quality zinc oxide products, whose physical and chemical properties are superior to traditional production. Therefore, the zinc oxide products produced by zinc oxide rotary kiln as a high-efficiency, energy-saving, environmental protection product, high-quality industrial production equipment, zinc oxide rotary kiln will have a broader market prospect.